friends, welcome to Naturtricks YouTube channel. Today I am going to share how to cure piles permanently at home. So let's get started. Piles are such source of discomfort and pain among most of the adults. It is also called as hemorrhoids. It is the most common health issues that 9 out of 10 men or women have to experience piles in their lifetime. Normally, hemorrhoid tissues are invisible, but inflamed hemorrhoids look like a bump or clotted tissue near the anal. There is a lot of reasons behind the forming up of piles. Personal hygiene is the measure of all. So, before your condition gets too much worse, here are few home remedies to cure piles permanently at home in 3 days. What are piles? Piles are the muscular structure in the anal region. It consists of blood vessels, muscles and tissues. Normally it acts as a cushion and helps in stool control. But the discomfort and pain started when it gets any infection. An infected piles begins to swell and cause bleeding. It can be found in different size and it also found outside the anus. They disappear of their own without causing pain. Sometimes any type of hemorrhoid cream is enough for piles treatment. Otherwise, in severe cases, surgery is the only option for piles removal. Generally, piles are invisible, but when it expands due to inflammation, it looks like a bump of muscles. Piles can be divided into 4 types: internal hemorrhoids, external hemorrhoids, prolapsed hemorrhoids, thrombosis hemorrhoids. Causes of piles. Piles means a group of swollen veins in the anus region of our body. There are numerous reasons due to which anyone may develop piles. In fact, some individuals are in the high risk zone. Genetic history of weak rectal veins, less fibrous food in their daily diet, sitting or standing for long hours, pregnancy, obesity, the habit of eating spicy and junk food, lack of hygiene, the habit of drinking less water, the habit of lifting heavy load. Symptoms. The most common sign of developing piles is bleeding. During bowel movements, major symptoms that indicate the growth of piles include bleeding while passing the stools, pain in the anal area, formation of lump beside anus region, itching and pain. Home remedies for piles treatment. Piles treatment is easy if noticed at the first stage. Often it can be treated at home by using some hemorrhoid cream or by following some changes in lifestyle and food habit. There are lots of hemorrhoid creams to apply locally for a relief. But in most of the cases, the growth of piles comes in notice when it is too late to treat it at home. So, in those severe cases, surgery is the only option for hemorrhoids removal. Otherwise, anyone can try the following home remedies for hemorrhoid relief. Remedy number 1: use of Epsom salt and glycerin. Hemorrhoid sufferers can get relief from pain and bleeding by using the mixture of Epsom salt and glycerin. Epsom salt is a crystalline chemical compound with lots of health benefits. Glycerin is also useful to smooth the itching skin and minor bleeding. It has the power to absorb water from the air. Way to use: keep 2 tablespoons of glycerin and Epsom salt. Mix well and keep it in a cloth. Place it on your anus for 20 to 25 minutes. Remedy number 2: Triphala Churna. According to doctors, constipation is the main reason for developing hemorrhoids. So, to make your bowel movement easy, Triphala Churna is the best home remedy. Triphala means the powerful combination of 3 medicinal herbs: Haritaki, Babitaki, Amalaki. Way to use: all you need is to collect Triphala powder from any Ayurvedic shops. Add 5 grains of powdered Triphala with water every night. It will make your bowel movement easy enough. Remedy number 3: castor oil. Castor oil is antioxidant, antifungal and anti-inflammatory by nature. Therefore, it can cure hemorrhoids pain and helps to reduce swollen tissue. Way to use: take 3 ml of castor oil, mix it well, stir it well and drink every night. This remedy will also work if applied topically. Fourth remedy: intake of high fiber food daily. Eating high fiber food could be fruitful for if you have constipation. To reduce constipation and stress during stool is the first and foremost steps to prevent the piles from developing. Fibers helps to retain water in the stool and make it soft enough to glide smoothly through the rectum. So the people who are suffering from the piles should include the following food into their daily diet in a alternative way. Hemorrhoids removal, one must bring the dietary changes. Whole grains like brown rice, barley, corns, oatmeal, etc. Fresh fruits like strawberries, cherries, apricot. Leafy vegetables and seeds. Colored vegetable. Take psyllium husk daily at night to prevent your constipation. It's a natural bulking and softening agent. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of this husk into water and after blend it well, drink immediately before bedtime. Remedy number 5: coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best gift of Mother Nature that holds numerous benefits for health and beauty applications. It has analgesics and anti-inflammatory effects. Hence, it soothes skin irritation and inflammation when applied externally for piles treatment. Coconut oil can be used with other ingredients. Way to use: there are different ways to incorporate coconut oil for hemorrhoids cure. We can use the coconut oil as a cooking medium. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, add a half tablespoon of turmeric powder into it. Mix it well and apply this topically on the inflamed rectum with a cotton ball. Add a half cup of coconut oil into 1 tub of warm water and use it for the bath. Warm water and coconut oil both are helpful to shrink the piles growth and to reduce the pain. Sixth remedy: changes in lifestyle. Changes in lifestyle can bring some benefits as far as hemorrhoids cure is concerned. If we bring some basic changes in our daily life, it will help to prevent the further development of piles, such as: don't take too much mental stress, try to avoid late night parties, always go for cotton garments, avoid sitting for long hours, limit your alcohol intake, take adequate water, try to avoiding junk and spicy foods. Number 7: use ice pack. A cold compress with ice is soothing as it gives instant relief from pain due to the piles. Way to use: take ice cubes from your fridge, keep the ice cubes on a 2 Ziploc bag, wrap it with a piece of cloth, place it on your back. Do the process for 10 to 15 minutes. The remedy: aloe vera. It is a natural antibacterial herb that prevents infection and prevents minor wounds. Way to use: extract the aloe vera gel from the freshly aloe vera leaf, collect the gel and mix baking soda and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients well and apply with the help of the cotton ball. Wash it off after the 20 to 25 minutes. Remedy number 9: witch hazel. Witch hazel is a powerful medicinal herb which is also capable of reducing itching and pain of the affected site. It is also best for ensuring hemorrhoid cure, slows down the bleeding and pain in the anal area. Gallic acid and tannins are the 2 chemical compounds that boost up the healing process. Way to use: take and dab with hazel with a cotton ball directly on the area. Repeated this for 2 or 3 days. It will reduce the dryness of the anal region. Number 10: essential oil. Use of essential oil is a well-known home remedy for piles treatment. Here you can use tea tree oil and lavender oil. Tea tree oil can reduce pain and itching. Lavender oil acts as an antiseptic. Way to use: blend the equal portion of tea tree oil and lavender oil. Blend it well and apply on the anal area with a cotton ball. Try the home remedies to get relief. Medication is necessary for hemorrhoids, but changes in diet and lifestyle can prevent the disease. So be aware that you are maintaining a healthy diet and balanced lifestyle. So friends, we hope that after going through the above, how to cure piles permanently at home in 3 days surely help you. So don't delay to take the benefits of it. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel.